Oh yeah. Time to have fun though. Alright. Hey guys. Greg, DIY RV and Home. We are here at beautiful, beautiful Sage Hen Reservoir at our campground, number 5. And we are in the Antelope Campgrounds. Beautiful. We're actually, you can't see it, but the reservoir is just right over past those dense trees. Something in Payette, Idaho we really don't see. So, I mean, this is beautiful. Our campsite, we had to reverse in from the dock area and back in. And I tell you what, the drive up, I got some videos I'll be showing you. The drive up, boy, it was steep. It was working the truck to death. And, well, I wish I had a truck that ran like that, I tell you that. Yeah. Waving at somebody as they're driving by. But as I backed up and stepped out of the truck and looked, I noticed something on the ground. I'll swing you around. I don't know if you can see that dirt on the ground. That's where I was putting dirt over transmission fluid. And right here, this nice little pile of dirt all the way underneath, that was to stop all the transmission fluid that dumped out of my transmission. Now we are about 85 miles, 80 miles from our house. We're a good, I think 30 miles off the main thoroughfare, 18 miles up a gravel road. Roadside assistance, nobody wants to come up for under $1,000 to tow the truck back. Thank goodness for neighbors, good friends, and fellow Campers Life's members on Facebook.
Bernie and David.
Bernie and David Newman. They're going to come up and rescue us on Sunday. We're going to move the truck, park the truck out of the way, and they're going to tow the truck, or excuse me, the trailer and our asses back to the house. Then I'm going to come rescue the truck Wednesday. I'm going to end up renting a truck and trailer or something like that. It's got to be less than $1,000 to do that, but you know what, we're going to make the best of this weekend and enjoy our time up here. We're going to try to do some fishing, maybe try to catch some trout and everything like that, but maybe tomorrow we'll do a little walk and check out the place, and we'll give you a little you know, review of this place, which is beautiful. Oh, and by the way, the camp host here, David Smallwood, give him kudos. He was saw us in trouble, came over with a shovel, offered to help us get the oil covered up so it wouldn't, you know, go anywhere. Gave us a ride about 5 miles out of camp to a single spot that he knows where we can actually get cell service. And we sat there, we were there almost an hour on the phone with our insurance company, roadside assistance, and yeah, like I say, they finally found somebody, and it was going to be $1,000 our cost. That was over the deductible to get my truck towed back home. Probably been the same to try to get it towed down to Emmett, which is the nearest town. So anyways, thought I'd say hi, give you guys an update, and we're going to enjoy our time. So, you know, what don't break us makes us stronger. That's right. See you on the next video.